How to turn off Snapchat ads. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some steps that will help you turn off your Snapchat app from your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account, then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. At this section, tap onto Settings icon on your top right. Here, scroll below and under Privacy Control, tap on Ads. You will see three options again. Tap on Ad Preferences. Here, uncheck this box and tap on Disable. Do the same for all of these and go back. Then tap on Lifestyle and Interests. Now, if you have checked any of these boxes, uncheck them and go back. And just like so, this is how you can remove ads from your Snapchat account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.